Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to create an email account and use Webmail in cPanel. First, log in to cPanel. In the email section, click the email accounts icon. You will then see the email accounts page. If any accounts already exist, then they will be listed here. Click on the Create button. The Create an Email Account section will be displayed. Select the domain that you want to use for the email account. Type in the username that you want to use. The domain name is automatically appended based on your selected domain. The next option is to set the password for the email account. The next are optional settings. Click the Edit Settings button to access them. Next, you can set the storage space. This is the amount of space the email account can occupy on the server. You can set this to a particular number or click on Unlimited. After you set the storage space for the email account, you will see an option named Automatically Create Folders for plus addressing. This option allows for folders to be created automatically if they are using plus addressing. You can also set it to not create folders. Now, click on the Create button to create the account. After creating, you will see the account listed in the section Email Accounts. Now, to log into the Webmail, click on Check Email next to the email account in question. You will be accessed to the Roundcube Webmail interface. Finally, you can use Webmail to manage your email.